Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find a lost trust wallet. Losing access to your digital assets can be stressful, but don't worry, there's an easy method to regain control. The most crucial element is your unique 12-word recovery phrase. We will walk through the simple steps to restore your wallet, ensuring you can access your funds again quickly and securely. Let's get started on recovering your trust wallet. Your recovery phrase, sometimes called a seed phrase, is a unique sequence of 12 words generated when you first set up your trust wallet. Think of it as the ultimate backup for all your digital assets. It grants full access to your funds, so anyone with this phrase can control your wallet. Therefore, keeping it extremely secure and private is paramount for the safety of your cryptocurrencies. To recover your wallet, begin by downloading the official Trust Wallet application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and choose the option to import an existing wallet. You will then be prompted to enter your 12-word recovery phrase. Type each word precisely, ensuring correct spelling and order. After successful entry, your wallet and all your digital assets will be fully restored and accessible. Protecting your recovery phrase is the single most important security measure for your digital assets. Never store it digitally, like in an email or cloud service, as these are vulnerable to hacks. Instead, write it down on paper and keep it in a secure, private location, like a safe deposit box or a home safe. Consider making 2 or 3 physical copies and storing them in different secure places for maximum protection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.